Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're exploring the intricacies of requesting a certificate of entitlement to Social Security benefits in France, a process outlined on the service-public.fr website. This certificate, formerly known as the Attestation de Droits Auxiliary Prestation Socials, acts as official confirmation of your eligibility for Social Security benefits within the French system. Understanding your rights and accessing the necessary documentation can be complex. This certificate simplifies matters by providing a clear summary of your coverage, including vital details like your Social Security number and the specific benefits you're entitled to. It's a valuable document for various administrative procedures, particularly when interacting with organizations like CAF, Caisse d'Allocations Familiales, CPAM, Caisse Primaire d'Assurance Maladie, or Pôle Emploi. Having this certificate readily available can streamline interactions and ensure you receive the benefits you're due without unnecessary delays. The online platform, service-public.fr, provides a straightforward way to obtain this certificate. Navigating the site, you'll find detailed instructions and access to the application process. The digital format of the certificate ensures quick and convenient access, eliminating the need for paper documents and postal delays. Beyond simply confirming eligibility, the certificate offers a comprehensive overview of your current Social Security situation. This includes details on your affiliation, the specific benefits you're entitled to, such as healthcare, family allowances, or unemployment benefits, and the effective dates of your coverage. This comprehensive information empowers you to understand your rights and ensure you're receiving all applicable benefits. Whether you're new to the French Social Security system or a long-time resident, obtaining this certificate is a crucial step in managing your benefits. The service-public.fr website makes this process accessible and efficient, providing a valuable resource for all. By understanding the process and having this certificate at your disposal, you can navigate the French Social Security system with confidence and ensure you receive the support you're entitled to. So, head over to service-public.fr and secure your certificate today. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful information on navigating life in France.